Hello my friends, hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Can you believe it is back to school time? OMG, this whole summer went by fast. So in honor of back to school, I'm going to share with all of y'all a no-bake cookie recipe that will bring you back to elementary school days. No-bake peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Used to love these cookies when I go to the cafeteria. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And these cookies will be a great addition to your kids' lunchbox. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookies and back to school treats, check out my cookies and back to school recipes playlist and my previous video, lemon blueberry cake. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your oatmeal, your peanut butter, and your cookie sheets, sugar, because we're about to make some no-bake peanut butter oatmeal cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. I added in 1/4 cup, which is a half a stick, or 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. And I cut them into squares, and we're going to let it melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our butter has melted. So next we're going to add in our milk. I have 1 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. We're just going to pour in half a cup. And our sugars, 1½ cups of white sugar and ½ cup of packed light brown sugar. These are some sweet cookies. And give it a quick stir until everything's well blended. We're going to add in 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It will help our cookies from being too sugary and too clumpy. And give this a stir. So now we're going to let it bubble slightly. Alright my friends, our sugar mixture has bubbled slightly. So now I'm going to cut my heat up to high. And all we do is bring it to a rolling boil. Alright my friends, our mixture has came to a rolling boil. So now we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes. Alrighty my friends, it's been 2 minutes, and make sure you stir it constantly. Don't go over 2 minutes, otherwise your dough will be messed up. So now I cut my fire off and I'm going to remove my pot from the burner. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. And make sure you use a good quality peanut butter. Really makes a difference. But I wouldn't recommend using natural peanut butter. And stir this in. Alright, now we're going to add in some more of the milk. You may not need to add the whole cup. You just need it to make it a little thick and creamy. Alright, I'm going to add in a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Perfect. So I have a 1/4 cup of warm milk left. And over here I have my oatmeal. 3 cups of 1-minute rolled oatmeal. Going to add in half. And stir this in. Alright, now we're going to add in the other half of the oatmeal. And stir this in. Smells good. Love the smell of peanut butter. Alrighty, my friends, our peanut butter mixture is complete. Now we're ready to form them in the cookies. We're going to place the cookies on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. And using my spoon, I'm going to take a dollop of the dough, like so, and just place them right on the cookie sheet, like so. And you can make them any size that you prefer. I like mine like a medium size. And you want to work on these quickly, otherwise they'll seal up on you real fast. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cookies together, and in total I have 12, 6 on one pan and 6 on the other. So now we're going to let them sit for about 30 minutes until they're set. Alrighty, my friends, our cookies is nice and set. Perfect. So now I'm going to place them onto my cake stand and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. No bake peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Don't they look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Of course, you can't have cookies without milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Chewy, decadent. I can taste the peanut butter and the oatmeal. These cookies definitely brings back memories in elementary school. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. No bake peanut butter oatmeal cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a fun and wonderful school year.